Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can turn off the recycle bin inside your account on Metal TV. For instance, if you'd like to remove or delete permanently screenshots and video recordings here on Metal TV. So let us guide you through this. So usually guys, here in the Metal TV app, for example in your library, when you delete a recording, for example, it doesn't get deleted permanently, even though it says it is, but usually it will be moved to the recycle bin and you will need to remove it from there manually. So if you'd like to disable that feature and make it happen that you can, for example, delete these recordings right from that menu permanently, you will need to navigate to a user account in the top right, select settings here. Here on the left hand side, what you want to do then guys is click into PC storage here and scroll all the way down and disable the recycle bin, right? Because as you can see, just how I said, deleted video clips, for example, well, it doesn't apply to screenshots, but video clips and recordings don't get permanently deleted, but get sent to the recycle bin. So you can turn it off here. And that way, for example, remove video clips from your library, right? So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.